Welcome to Speaks Easy. Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm here to help you improve your English. In today's episode, we'll talk about why English is so important. English is widely regarded as the global language, spoken by people all around the world. It has gained immense importance and is considered a key language in today's society. It plays a major role in our daily lives and has become an essential part of modern life. A large number of people speak English, and being able to communicate in English opens up many opportunities. It helps you connect with others, make new friends, secure better job prospects, and travel to various countries. The first step is to think in English. This is a crucial tip because many people translate their thoughts from their native language into English, which is not an effective way to learn. Instead, try to think directly in English. For instance, when you see a chair, think this is a chair. If you're feeling tired, think I am tired. If you're hungry, think I am hungry. Thinking in English makes it easier to express yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes them, and they're part of the learning process. When you make a mistake, it's an opportunity to learn. Ask your teacher, friends, or family members to correct you, and they'll help you say things the right way. Don't be shy. Speak English as often as you can. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Reading is a fantastic way to improve your English. By reading, you can learn new vocabulary and sentence structures. Be sure to choose books that are at your level, such as easy books, children's stories, or magazines. When reading, try reading aloud to practice your pronunciation. You can also read with a friend, which can help improve both your understanding and speaking. Listening is another important skill. By listening to English daily, you can improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and sentence construction. You can listen to English podcasts, watch English TV shows and movies, and even listen to English radio stations. Writing is also valuable for learning. You can keep a diary in English, write emails or letters to friends, or even write short stories. The key is to use new words you've learned in your writing, which helps reinforce them. Learning new words every day is crucial. The more words you know, the more you can express. Use a dictionary or a word app, and try to use these new words in both writing and speaking. Practice is essential because, as they say, practice makes perfect. Practice every day, even if it's just a few minutes. You can practice by speaking with your family, friends, a teacher, or even an AI like me. You can also practice by talking to yourself in the mirror. Speak slowly. When speaking English, take your time. Speaking slowly allows you to pronounce words more clearly, and it makes it easier for others to understand you. Taking an English class can be very helpful. You'll learn new words, sentence structures, and practice speaking with others. Teachers can also provide valuable feedback to improve your skills. Learning English should be fun. The more enjoyable it is, the more you'll want to continue. Play language games, sing English songs, watch funny movies, and talk with your friends in English. There are many tools today that can help you learn English. Apps on your phone, websites, and online courses can all support your learning. You can also find English videos on YouTube to practice listening and comprehension. Having friends who speak English is incredibly helpful. You can practice speaking with them and learn from their corrections. It's also a great way to learn about different cultures and how people use English in various parts of the world. English-speaking clubs are great places to meet people and practice your speaking skills. You can learn from others and improve through real conversations. Travel to English-speaking countries. Traveling to English-speaking countries is an excellent way to improve your English. In these countries, you'll need to use English to communicate with people, whether it's at a hotel, restaurant, or shop. It's also a fun way to practice in real-life situations. Flashcards are a great tool for learning new words. Write the word on one side and its meaning on the other, then review them regularly. This method helps reinforce your vocabulary. Recording yourself speaking allows you to hear your pronunciation and identify areas for improvement. You can play it back, listen for mistakes, and work on correcting them. Mimicking native speakers is a great way to improve your speaking. Listen to how they pronounce words, their intonation and rhythm, and try to imitate them. This will help you sound more natural when speaking English. Having a speaking partner makes learning more interactive. You can practice conversations, ask and answer questions, and help each other improve. Speaking in front of a mirror is a great technique. You can see how your mouth moves, practice your pronunciation, and observe your facial expressions and gestures. Participating in online forums is another way to practice your English. Join discussions, comment on posts, and interact with other learners. This will improve your vocabulary and writing skills. Writing scripts for conversations is a good way to prepare for real-life situations. Write out dialogues, practice them, and say them aloud to gain confidence. Understanding different cultures helps you understand how English is used in various social contexts. Learning about customs and traditions can also improve your communication. Setting goals helps you stay motivated. You can aim to learn 5 new words each day, practice speaking for 10 minutes daily, or read 1 book a month. Achieving small goals will keep you moving forward. Learning English takes time, so be patient with yourself. You won't become fluent overnight. Keep practicing and don't give up. Incorporating English into your daily life helps reinforce your skills. Write your grocery list in English, take notes in English, or even talk to your pets in English. A language exchange partner is someone who can help you learn English while you help them with your native language. It's a great way to practice and improve your speaking skills. Join online language learning communities, where people are learning English can be very beneficial. You can interact, practice speaking, and share tips. There are apps designed to connect you with native English speakers for practice. You can chat, voice call, or even video call to improve your speaking skills. English pronunciation can be tricky, so practice is key. Focus on how words are pronounced and repeat them until you get it right. It's important to learn common expressions used by native speakers. This will help make your conversations sound more natural. Surround yourself with English media, such as movies, podcasts, music, and TV shows. This will help you improve both your listening and speaking skills. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small victories. Reflect on what you've learned and where you still need to improve. Participating in English-speaking events is a great way to practice your speaking skills. You can interact with others and gain more experience. While accuracy is important, focusing on fluency in casual conversations is more essential. Don't worry too much about making small mistakes. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. Ask native or fluent speakers for feedback on your English. They can offer valuable insights into your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Learning English takes time and persistence. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and set achievable goals to continue improving your speaking skills. In conclusion, improving your English speaking requires dedication and consistent practice. Follow these tips, and step by step, you'll get closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy your journey toward mastering English.